1. Winner of Under-19 Men's World Cup 2024? A. India. B. Australia. C. Pakistan. D. England. Right answer is B. Australia. 2. Which of the following individuals is not said to receive the Bharat Ratna? A. P.V. Narasimha Rao. B. Chaudhry Charan Singh. C. M.S. Swaminathan. D. Verghese Kurian. Right answer is D. Verghese Kurian. 3. Which company has partnered with the State Bank of India, SBI, to digitize international education payments for Indian students? A. PayPal. B. Western Union. C. Flywire. D. TransferWise. Right answer is C. Flywire. 4. 19 Naam, non-aligned movement, submit at A. Uganda. B. Azerbaijan. C. Jakarta. D. Yugoslavia. Right answer is A. Uganda. 5. Which country recently signed a protocol amendment with India to enhance nuclear cooperation? A. Russia. B. United States. C. United Kingdom. D. France. Right answer is A. Russia. 6. In which city will Tata Trusts inaugurate India's first small animal hospital? A. Delhi. B. Bangalore. C. Kolkata. D. Mumbai. Right answer is D. Mumbai. 7. When is the International Day of the Arabian Leopard observed? A. February 10. B. March 15. C. April 22. D. May 5. Right answer is A. February 10. 8. Which institution is leading the development of India's first indigenous 155mm smart ammunition? A. IISc Bangalore. B. IIT Bombay. C. IIT Madras. D. IIT Delhi. Right answer is C. IIT Madras. 9. What is the name of Google's rebrand chatbot that positions it in direct rivalry with OpenAI? A. Artemis. B. Apollo. C. Mercury. D. Gemini. Right answer is D. Gemini. 10. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director, MD, and Chief Executive Officer, CEO, of Tata AI Life Insurance? A. Venkatachalam. B. Ravir Sinha. C. Rishi Srivastava. D. Naveen Tahilyani. Right answer is A. Venkatachalam.